For nearly 100 years, STIHL tools have been chosen by professionals to help them get their jobs done quickly and efficiently. More recently, we have also used that experience and expertise to produce premium quality garden tools that demanding home gardeners can rely on too. STIHL tools are engineered to last, but like any other machine, looking after it properly will help it perform at its best for even longer. Regular maintenance is easy to do with our STIHL maintenance kits and accessories. Our network of STIHL Approved Dealers sell cleaning kits, servicing kits, files, lubricants and much more, all of which will help keep your tool in great condition. STIHL tools aren't disposable either. We manufacture our own spare parts for many years, even after the tools are no longer available. You can replace worn parts knowing that the replacements are the same high quality as the machine, which makes STIHL tools the sustainable option. But we wouldn't be able to offer this without the support of our nationwide network of fully trained STIHL Approved Dealers across Great Britain. They are STIHL experts and know exactly how to sharpen cutting attachments, replace parts and repair machines. They can give you the advice you need to make sure your tool is working at its best. And they will sell you genuine STIHL parts and accessories so that your tool runs exactly as it's designed to. And that's not all. They also have the backup of our own STIHL technical workshop. The team here work on STIHL tools all day and every day, and they are always on hand to provide advice and expertise to the dealer network. Great tools are just one part of the STIHL story. With the right servicing and maintenance, your tools can be relied on whenever you need them. Find your nearest STIHL Approved dealer at stihl.co.uk/dealer today.